If you want to change the window behavior of GOG, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. This is really useful if you want the app to open, close, or behave in a way that feels more comfortable for your setup. Whether you are trying to make GOG easier to manage on desktop or just want to customize the way the window acts, this guide will show you exactly where to go. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel a lot, and it lets you know when the next guide goes live. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open GOG on your computer. Once the app launches, take a look at the top left corner of the window. You should see a gear icon there. This gear icon is where GOG keeps its main settings and customization options. Click on that gear icon to open the menu. From the list that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can adjust different parts of the app. Inside Settings, look for the Interface section. This is where GOG keeps options related to how the app looks and behaves on your screen. Click on Interface to open those settings. Now you should see the option for window behavior. This is the setting you want to change. Depending on what you need, you can adjust how the window opens, how it responds when minimized or closed, and other related behavior settings. Take a moment to choose the option that works best for you. Once you have selected your preferred window behavior, the change should apply right away or after you close the settings menu. After that, you can continue using GOG with a new window behavior in place. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to change the window behavior in GOG in just a few simple clicks. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more GOG tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.